dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin. Come with Timmy, say hooray! Let's have fun and learn to play. On the board where dreams begin, the chess adventure will begin.
Hi friends, I'm Timmy. Today is a super fun day. It's Bishop's Day. Yay! Let's go meet the bishops. Hello. I'm a bishop. I'm a BlackColorSquare bishop. I stay on black squares. Always. I can move diagonally across the board like this. I can go as many squares as I want, as long as no one is in my way. And this is my friend, another bishop. Hello. I'm a bishop. I'm a WhiteColorSquare bishop. I stay on white squares. Always. I also move diagonally, but only on white diagonals. Look, like this. I can move as many squares as I want as long as no one is in my way. Look, like this. And now, meet our friends, the Black Bishops. Hello, everyone. We are the Black Bishops. I'm a WhiteColorSquare bishop. And I'm a BlackColorSquare bishop. Just like the white bishops, we move diagonally too, on our own color squares. I stay on black diagonals. Look, this is how I move. And I stay on white diagonals. Look, this is how I move. Oops, we almost forgot. We need to tell you something very important, friends. If someone is in our way, we can't jump over. But if someone is on the square we can move to, we can take their place. Like this. Look! This is how we can do it. Well, friends, today we told you everything about ourselves. We hope you understood how smart, strong, and beautiful we bishops really are. You did a great job listening. Let's say thank you to the bishops. Now it's time to have fun at the beach. We'll swim, play, and have lots of fun. See you there.
On our board so bright and clear, we gather here with joy and cheer. Pawns blow trumpets loud and sweet. A happy day is ours to meet. Kings and queens and rooks so bold, stories of chess are bright and told. Come along and learn to play in our fun chess land today.